Whether we embrace it or not, artificial intelligence has played a significant role in our lives recently and is rapidly altering how things operate, often exceeding our imagination. Artificial intelligence possesses the potential to transform various aspects of daily life, including work, mobility, medicine, the economy, and communication. When looking at the positive side of this technology and gaining an understanding of how it functions, you can gain a substantial advantage over your peers. This is precisely why, in today's video, I will introduce you to 7 AI tools with exceptional capabilities, ranging from generating complete presentations in a single click to bringing drawings to life and crafting original stories with just a few keystrokes. I urge you to pay close attention and think creatively about how you can leverage each tool to reap the maximum benefits. With that said, let's dive right into the first tool, Runway ML. It offers an all-encompassing solution for your content creation needs, whether you're a content creator seeking to expedite your editing process or a business owner looking to create content independently. Runway offers over 30 AI-powered tools that enable you to brainstorm, generate, and edit content in unprecedented ways. Some of its remarkable features include erasing and replacing parts of an image with AI-generated content, creating images from scratch using AI image generation based on descriptive text, effortlessly modifying existing images from text, and even training your personalized AI image generator for a virtually endless supply of customized portraits. Runway ML is continually expanding its capabilities, making it a tool worth exploring. Moving on to the second AI tool, Tome.app. This powerful tool can generate an entire pitch deck for your business or clients with just a single click. Simply specify the type of pitch deck you require, and Tome will work its magic. It not only generates headings and descriptive paragraphs, but also provides visuals tailored to the topics. While Tome is currently in beta, it shows promise of becoming a prominent AI tool in the near future. The third tool on our list is Pictory.ai, which has gained recent popularity for its unique ability to transform written scripts or blog posts into high-quality videos quickly and easily. While there are many text-to-image conversion platforms, Pictory.ai distinguishes itself with its text-to-video feature. You can swiftly turn a written script into high-quality videos, complete with automatically generated captions and voiceovers. Pictory.ai offers a variety of pre-built templates, allowing you to customize text, style, and add background music, making it a valuable tool for content creators and those aspiring to start faceless YouTube channels. Next, we have clipdrop.co, an ecosystem of apps, plugins, and resources powered by artificial intelligence for creators. Clipdrop provides a range of AI tools, and I'll highlight 2 of its 100% free offerings. First is Relight, which enables you to add artificial lighting to any image or drawing. You can adjust the lighting's direction, color, radius, distance, and ambiance to your liking. The second tool, Cleanup, makes object, people, or text removal from images a breeze. Mark the area you want to remove, and let the AI work its magic in seconds. Tool number 5, Animated Drawings, allows you to bring your drawings to life with animation. It's a user-friendly, free tool that requires no registration. Simply upload your drawing and follow the straightforward steps to watch your creation come alive with a variety of animation options. Tool number 6 is Talk to Books, a free tool by Google that lets you browse passages from millions of books using AI. This tool is invaluable for research, helping you find relevant resources on any topic by searching for keywords and accessing passages from various books and textbooks. Our final tool, Once Upon a Bot, is an AI tool that effortlessly generates original stories on any topic. You can select a story topic, write a prompt, choose from various writing styles, art styles, and narrators. Additionally, you can specify the language and reading level for the story. With a simple click, you'll have a complete story with original content and illustrations. That concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you'd like to see a part 2, please let me know in the comments. I'm also eager to hear which tool from this list you found most intriguing. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.